YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. We're gonna make the letter C, man. You know the deal. In throw up style, P style, and tag style. Let's start with a tag. The tag is like a sign, like this, the C, or like this, the C, or like this, the C, or like this, the C. It almost looks like the S now. Lol. Just have a little bit of a flow, you know. The C, the C. Alright, how to make a throw up of the C. You can do easily like this. Like this. You have the letter C already. Very fast, mate. Why didn't you go to that? So like this you already have a C almost. Very nice looking already. Let's go to the black. So like this you already have the C in throw up style. See? C, the letter C. See? Alright, so now we're going to the P's. The P's. The motherfucking P's. The P's. Yeah, the P's. Let's take a little bit of blue. Same way, but now a little bit more flowish, stylish. Like this, something like this. Will work. Let's begin with the blue like here. If you don't know how to spray any graffiti, I will show you at the end. Like every video I made about graffiti yet. Alright, so a little bit of pinky for the ladies, you know, like before. We also have ladies who really love graffiti styles. And even ladies who spray graffiti. And you won't even believe how very beautiful that is also. So the letter C is in making, as you can see. The letter C. Like before in the other videos, we're gonna flow it over. Let's take a little bit of blue again. very nice looking already. But we're not done yet. Nope, we're not done yet. Let's take a little bit of yellow. I got a very nice idea. So we make a little bit of a ball here. And then we go like this. Like a sun. Nice. Like electricity, you know? Very nice looking, very nice looking. Let's go with this with the flow. Nice. Alright. Let's come from this side also. Alright. Now we go for the little bit of pink again. Like you don't want it to take it over yet. Like a little bit on the background, you know? Nice, like you're in the universum looking at a planet or something. Very cool, very nice looking. I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, like, everything what's related to that. Do it please for me. Look how nice it already looks, guys. Like before, always take the line to the side of the shadows, like this. Now we're gonna fill this in with black. I saw a little bit of a flag or a snow thing at my screen. It was kind of weird. I don't know if you saw it too. B-E-A, beautiful. Let's put some highlights. No, highlights, not blackness. Oh, what a nice line I just sprayed in this game. Look how beautiful this looks. Nice. Nice. Very nice. If you like it. What kind of outline should we take? Let's take red. Well, that went very well till now. I see a little bit of a fault, but we can fix that. So this is a nice C. I like it. So as you can see, I didn't put the C like in it, like before in my other letters, which I did it there as well. Like this, you see. This gives a better abstract, in my opinion. Like here, you can see it also here. So that's nice. I like it. Oh, that's nice. I like it. So we can do that also, but I think it's not really a good idea to do now. But I can show you that even when you, oh, sorry, even when you did this already, you can still. I mean, with this, the outline and stuff, you can still put some stuff in it, like this. It looks a little bit better already, in my opinion. Like it's better flowing now. Well, let's go now to the new guy side. The tags, the throw ups, the easy way to do it. So if you want to make a C, we all know how to make a C like this. I guess everyone know. So if you're new to graffiti and you want to make a C and you don't want to make it like this, then the best idea to do that, in my opinion, is first start with something like this, then end up with a half or round, then you go put this the same way to down, then you go to a little bit to there, then to there, then back to there. Then you got a nice C already, as you can see. The C. Alright, but if this is still kind of difficult for you, then what you can do is make this a little small C, make a bigger C above, then you go this, then you go this, then you put 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 this. Then you got a better C looking than the original C like this. The easy peasy C, the noob C, the toy C. So again, in a different way again. So if you want to make the C, you can also just make the C like this. Put a stripe like this, put a stripe like that. Go to there, go to there, go to there, go to there, follow the line, follow the line. You can make like this, you can make it like this, and you fill this in like this, real quick. Fill in. Then you can see, then you have that you have a C. As you can see, the C. So you can put a real quick an outline around it. So then you have the letter C already. And this will be the highlights and stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you the next time. Love. Peace out.